The first step, you put the peanut burrito at the tree, put into the tree and here. Now it is on pressing. Now press the valve. For here, start this. From this direction, it is start the machine, and for this direction, it will close the machine. Now we start cutting it. After the pressing, the peanut burrito is very dirty, and the looks and the appearance is very nice. Now it is on cutting. The first type for the cutting, and then go into this way. Here we get the finished peanut burrito, like you see. This is your finished peanut burrito. Like you see, the thickness it is 1 centimeter, and the other size we will deliver it with your machine to you. After when you receive the machine, you can change the tray to produce different size you want. Also, I will bring some samples of your finished peanut burrito to Zhengzhou for you.